Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Trip. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic, elegant cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Fantastic cottage decor is a charming blend of vintage elegance and cozy cottage aesthetics. It combines soft, romantic elements with rustic and time-worn features to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This style is inspired by old world charm with an emphasis on delicate details, antique furniture, and pastel color palettes. How to achieve this look? Mix old and new features to create an authentic vintage atmosphere. Use white or distressed furniture to maintain a light and airy feel. Add vintage flower market finds like old books, messengers, and antique picture frames. Incorporate feminine and delicate details without overwhelming the space. Vintage cottage decor is a romantic, elegant, and slightly rustic design style that blends vintage charm with cozy cottage aesthetics. It is a perfect mix of old-world elegance, soft femininity, and rustic simplicity, making a home feel warm, inviting, and timeless. First, color palette. The color scheme in fantastic cottage decor is soft, neutral, and muted, creating a calm and serene ambience. Primary colors: white, cream, beige, and soft gray, used as a base. Accent colors: pastel shades like blush pink, mint cream, powder blue, and lavender. Floral patterns and soft prints, often incorporated through wallpaper, upholstery, or accessories. Next, furniture and materials. This style focuses on antique vintage and distressed furniture with ornate details, like distressed oud, oudite, or whitewashed oud furniture gives a time-worn look. Curved and ornate pages. Think of French-style chairs, curved headboards, and cloth tables. Is wicker and rattan used in baskets, chairs, or storage for a cozy farmhouse that windows inspired upholstery, floral fabrics, stuffed setting, and ruffled slip covers. Mixing old and new elements is key. A modern sofa with window side tables can create a well-balanced look. Decor and accessories. Vintage cottage decor relies on delicate, dramatic, and nature-inspired accents to complete the look. Lace and embroidered fabrics for curtains, tablecloths, or pillowcases. Antique mirrors and frames, ornate gold or distressed white frames add a touch of elegance. Candeliers and crystal lighting, a staple in vintage interiors for a touch of glamour. Floral arrangements, roses, lavender, hydrangeas, or peonies in vintage vases or messengers. Use vintage books and trinkets, stacked books, porcelain figurines, and old clock faces, candle holders and lanterns, old iron or glass candle holders for a soft, romantic glow. Those flower market and thrifted stores are great places to find unique vintage pieces. Next, textures and fabrics. This style emphasizes softness and comfort. Antique throw layered textiles like ruffles and linen bedding, light, airy fabrics for a relaxed look. Crochet and later throws adds warmth and a handmade feel. Sheer contains laid in natural light and maintain an airy cottage vibe. Plush area rugs, a vintage Persian or floral pattern rug can enhance coziness. Mix different textures like linen, lace, and distressed oud for a layered, lived-in look. Nature and greenery. Bringing in natural element is key to capturing the fresh, airy feel of a cottage. Fresh outline flowers, lavender, roses, and wildflowers in antique vases. Potted herbs, basil, rosemary, and thyme in rustic terracotta pots. Botanical prints, vintage floral artwork or wallpaper, or delicate natural motifs. Use floral garlands or wreaths for a seasonal touch. Vintage cottage kitchen and dining. The kitchen is the heart of a cottage-style home, featuring a mix of vintage charm and practicality. Open shelving, display pretty dishware, vintage teacups, and glass jars. Farmhouse sink, a classic white apron front sink, adds rustic appeal. Distressed wooden cabinets, whitewashed or painted in soft pastels. Mixed matched dinnerware, floral, latest delicate teacups, and antique silverware. Fresh baked goods display. A cake stand with pastries enhances the cozy cottage feel. Hang copper pots, enamel or vintage cutting boards for a functional decor. Bedroom and living room styling. Bedroom. White or pastel iron bed frames with ruffled bedding. Use a vintage vanity table with a distressed finish. Use floral wallpaper or zip-lap walls for a cozy backdrop. Living room. A faded floral or Persian rug for softness. Antique trunks or wooden chest as coffee table. A mix of upholstered and wooden furniture for texture. Tips. Keep the space uncluttered but layer in soft textiles and decorative accents for warmth. What to shop for vintage cottage decor, antique stores, and flower markets for unique, one-of-a-kind finds. Thrift shops and estate sales, great for affordable vintage furniture. Easter and handmade markets for custom vintage style decor pieces. Home decor brands. Some modern brands offer vintage inspired collections. Try ideas. Try distressing furniture yourself using chalk paint or sanding techniques. Vintage cottage decor is perfect for those who love a mix of elegance, comfort, and world charm. It is about creating a space that feels soft, romantic, and lived in, with a balance of vintage finds and cozy cottage elements. Vintage cottage decor is a romantic, cozy, and nostalgic design style that blends vintage charm with soft cottage aesthetics. It combines antique, time-worn features with delicate family details, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere reminiscent of an old countryside cottage. Vintage cottage decor is inspired by English and French countryside cottages, where floral prints, lace, and rustic wood dominate. Shabby designs, which focuses on distressed furniture and soft, romantic elements. Vintage farmhouse aesthetics, incorporating rustic, handmade, and antique features. These styles bring together aged beauty and comfort, making a home feel welcoming and timeless. To achieve a vintage cottage look, focus on these key elements. Use soft, muted color palette, dominated by whites, creams, and pastels like pale pink, mint green, baby blue, and soft lavender. Subtle floral and choil patterns add a romantic touch. Darker accents like ouded wood or antique brass add depth and contrast. Furniture with character, distress or whitewashed oak, a signature feature that creates an aged or loved look. Antique or vintage inspired features, French Provençal style dressers, cloth bathtubs, and iron bed frames. Carving, ornate details, soft elegant linens on furniture, often with cabriolet legs, carved details, and vintage hardware. Mixing old and new. Pairing an antique dining table with modern floral chairs creates a perfect balance. Feminine and romantic touches, lace ruffles, and delicate fabrics for curtains, bedding, and pillows. Candeliers and crystal accents add an elegant touch. Floral arrangements in vintage vases, often featuring roses, lavender, or wildflowers. Cozy and layered textiles use soft linen, ruffled bedspreads, brushed throws, and floral print cushions. Use Persian or faded floral rugs and burnt to wooden floors. Use vintage accessories and decorative elements, antique clocks, distressed picture frames, and repurposed flower market finds. Use candle holders, lanterns, and candelabras. Create a warm, inviting glow. Porcelain teacups, vintage books, and old trunks as decor accents. Living room, sleep covered sofas in neutral or floral fabrics. Keep the space cozy. is a weathered wood coffee table with fresh flowers and vintage books. A wicker chair or a tufted armchair for a comfortable reading nook. Use antique mirror or distressed wall art as a focal point. Medium iron or carved oak bed frame with soft layered pattern. A vintage vanity table with an ornate mirror for a feminine touch. Pastel floral wallpaper or bedboard walls for added texture. Delicate bedside lamps with hanging glaze curtains. Vintage Cottage Decor is a charming blend of vintage elegance and cozy cottage aesthetics. It combines soft romantic elements with rustic and time-worn features to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This style is inspired by old world charm with an emphasis on delicate details, antique furniture, and pastel color palettes. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.